If we want to become a spacefaring species, focusing on the development of ISRU technology, in situ resource utilization, which is the concept of living off of the land. I'm Kevin Grossman, and my job is to make sure that astronauts on the moon can breathe. I grew up in Rochester, New York. I've been playing hockey since I was about 8 years old. And when I moved to Florida, I kind of assumed that my hockey playing days were done, but it turns out there's a lot of Northerners that have moved to Florida. My typical workday has changed a lot because of the at-home work situation. We can't be in there and take care of little things every day. What we're doing is we're building a reactor for the GLORE project that is going to take the dirt from the moon and convert it into pure oxygen to allow astronauts to breathe while they're on the surface of the moon. That idea of having my fingerprints on the future of the human race is what really motivates me in going to work every day.